Let's look at task 18S. The question says open the database that you saved at the end of task 18R. Produce a report that displays all the data for the make, model, color, S price, year, and extras fields for all the cars with alloy wheels from task 18L within the width of a portrait page. Right now, from task 18L, we're able to create task 18M. Right, so if you go to your database and then you open task 18M, you will see that we have already filtered this query based on the condition of just alloy wheels. So if you remember, so you can go ahead to actually look at task 18L, right, to be able to see how this task 18M was gotten, or probably go to task 18M actually, and then this is how it was gotten. So for this report, I'm going to base my report on task 18M, right? So what I'm going to do, I want to go to create, I want to go to report wizard. From report wizard here, you have to select task 18M from the drop down. So by virtue of already clicking it, so of course it's going to be selected, right? Now the fields that I'm going to need will be make, model, color. So I'm just going to go move it to the right side, make, model, color, S price, right, color, S price, year, and extras. Okay, year, then extras. We don't need value, right? So I'm just going to go next, 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 right? So here, this is where you want to be careful. So you want to make sure that the tabular layout is chosen, and then of course is in portrait by virtue of the question. It's supposed to be within the width of a portrait page, right? So you want to make sure that portrait is selected, and make sure that you check this adjust the field width so all fields fit on a single page, and then you can go next. So here I want to rename this to task 18S. So let me just have it as task 18S this time around. So I'm going to leave it as query actually. Let me just leave it as query and then add report to it. Okay, so that it will tell me which of the queries that I got this from, right? So I'm just going to finish up this and preview that. So this is how it's going to look like. So the first thing you want to do, you can see that the labels are not showing very well. So you want to close this print preview and then go to layout view. Let me just close this particular side. You want to go to layout view, so you want to actually adjust your fields, right? So let me just hold down my control key and click here, and then shift it to the left, right? So you want to resize this and then move it to the left a bit. So I hope everything is showing well. Okay, so everything is showing here. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to do here, click on model and then hold down my control key, click on model and then move it to the left also. Okay, do the same thing with color, hold down my control key, move it to this side, to the left also, just to create enough space to make sure that all the labels are showing pretty well. Okay, so let's go ahead and then adjust these. Hold down control key, adjust these ones, right? Good. So in fact, let me adjust this such that the text that are going to the next line for the extras will probably be on a single line. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to hold this and then move it further just to create enough space, right? Then just do the same thing here. Create enough space here. Okay. And then extend this. Okay. So this will show like this. Okay, so we can go to print preview and then see how that looks like. So print preview, so everything shows pretty well here. How many pages are these? So only a single page, right? Good. Okay, so let me close this. I'm going to close this and then read the second part of the question. It says, has your name in the report header, followed by cars with alloy wheels. So I'm just going to copy that and then go ahead here in the layout view. You want to actually remove this. So basically if I go to the design view here, you will see that this is the report header. Okay, so this is where basically you will have to put that. So because the question says, has your name in the report header, so you want to have it here. Okay, so let me just have my name. My name is Ikechukwu Anolefo. Okay, space, and then you have cars with alloyed wheels. So Ikechukwu Anolefo cars with alloy wheels. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. So I can just go to home and then go to print preview, and then this is how your printout is going to look like. Okay, so I think that's about it for this. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.